Hi everyone, today we are going to use the logarithms to find some unknowns. So please turn to a new page of your notebook. Write down the date of today and the learning target. Find unknowns by logarithms. So on your notebook, please help me to write down example. So today we have 3 examples, A, B, and C, and I will demonstrate to you one by one. Okay, for part A, 10 to the power x equals to 1000. So in the previous chapter, we learned how to solve exponential equation. Okay, so in this question, we can convert the 1000 to the base of 10, that will become 10 to the power 3. And then as you can see, the base are the same, then we can directly compare the index so that we know the answer of x is equals to 3. Then let's move on to part B. How about this time? 10 to the power y equals to 3. Can you convert the 3 with a base of 10? The answer is no. Then what should we do? In this case, we can take log on both sides. And therefore it will become log 10 to the power y equals to log 3. And this is the new technique that we learned in this section. And then, for log 10 to the power y, we can use the properties of logarithms, number 3, so that the y can put it in the front. And therefore, y log 10 equals to log 3. And finally, we can move the log 10 to the right hand side, log 3 over log 10. In this case, log 10 is equal to 1. Okay, then we can directly input the numbers into the calculator, log 3, then we can calculate the answer. Or if you don't know that log 10 is equals to 1, then we can still put all the things into your calculator to get the answer. And finally, y is equals to 0.477, which is correct to 3 significant figure. And finally, for part C, we have log z equals to 2.4. In this case, there is a log here. Okay, log z is here, and we are going to remove the log. Okay, so what should we do? We can apply log. If we know that log a is equals to b, then a is equals to 10 to the power y. Okay, so in this case, z will become 10 to the power 2.4, and this is the conversion. And if you are using the calculator, we can input shift log, okay, and then input 2.4, and finally we know that z is equals to 251, and convert to 3 significant figure again. So now, please help me to finish the correct practice 7.2. And for today's homework, That is exercise 7a, question 8 to 13.